In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks, deleting a customer is done by making the customer inactive. This keeps all past transactions and reports intact, but removes the customer from your active lists so you don't accidentally use them again. It's the safest way to clean up your customer list without losing historical data. First, go to QuickBooks Online and sign in if prompted. You'll land on your dashboard or the Get Things Done page. Take a moment to let everything load so the navigation is ready. Having a stable internet connection helps avoid any hiccups while making changes. Next, move your mouse to the customer hub. Depending on your layout, this may appear as customers in the navigation or within the sales section. Hovering over the customer hub highlights the area and makes it clear where your customer list lives. Now click on Customer to open your full customer list. You'll see all your active customers here. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar or filters to find the exact customer you want to remove. It's a good idea to quickly confirm you've selected the right person or business by checking their details, like address or recent activity. With the list in view, click the checkbox next to the customer you want to delete. Selecting the checkbox lets you take actions on that specific record. If you see multiple customers with similar names, pause for a second to double check which one you're targeting. After selecting the customer, click on the drop-down menu. This drop-down typically appears near the top of the list or in the toolbar above the table once a customer is selected. It contains bulk actions and customer management options. From the drop-down, click on Make it inactive. This is the QuickBooks command that effectively deletes the customer from your active list. You're not erasing history. You're simply removing the customer from day-to-day workflows like invoicing or receiving payments. A confirmation message will appear. Click on Yes, Make Inactive to finalize the change. QuickBooks will process the request and the customer will disappear from your active list. If you need to reference their past invoices or payments later, those records remain in your reports and transaction history, which is why this method is recommended over hard deletion. That's it. You went to QuickBooks, hovered over the customer hub, opened the customer list, selected the customer, used the drop-down, made them inactive, and confirmed. Your customer list is now cleaner and your historical data is preserved. Thanks for watching and keep your records tidy with confidence.